Hanging out at the Tampa Bay Underground Film Festival.
That's right.
Joel, you have an amazing array of work.
Oh, thank you, sir.
This is my first time meeting you, but I had to have you on here and talk about some of the stuff you've done. How many years have you been coming to this? This is the 5th year.
Yeah, I think we started Tampa Bay Underground Film Festival. I think we missed it the first year. We didn't know about it. But we were there the 2nd year, the 3rd year, the 4th year, and now the 5th year. But a twist to this is not just here and have a movie playing like all the other years, but I'm a sponsor. So Wynkoop Productions is actually a sponsor of the Tampa Bay Underground Film Festival. And it's been great being here with Reggie and Jason and you and Megan and everybody for I said it last night in an interview that I'm very thankful to people like Tampa Bay Underground Film Festival, because everywhere there's a comic book convention every week, but there's not a film festival, and it's nice that they put this on for, like, Rick Danford and I did one at the Tampa Picture Show, and on Johnny, he puts on the Second Screen Shorts Film Festival. He puts on one, and then Daniel Brands does his Action Film Challenge, and that's about it. And every weekend there's a comic book show somewhere, but there's not enough film festivals. So me as a filmmaker, I don't say film anymore. Nobody shoots on film. Everybody shoots on some kind of digital format.
I just call it movie maker.
I say movie maker.
Yeah.
So I'm very thankful for these guys to put this stuff on, because it gives the movie maker a place to show their stuff. And I've had my stuff released all over the country, all over the world, through our distributor, SRS Studios, with Ron Bach out of New Jersey, and a lot of other distributors, Darren Ramage from Brain Damage Films, and just a lot of distributors, and they get our work out all over the world. But it's still cool to be able to come to do these film festivals.
All this time, though. You've been doing this since, you said, like, the 80s, since
1984 is when I actually started.
So you've actually seen the progress of where everything's from, basically where film festivals started, to the inception of it, to where independent film festivals now.
Yep.
Do you see that? I know you're exhausted because of your body of work.
No, I got 6 hours of sleep, so I'm okay. Opposed to 4 hours on Friday night.
You've been like up all day for the past week.
Yeah.
But it's like, you've been to how many film festivals over the years? Just a round number.
And not even some of our... I've been to film festivals, and it's not a thing like, I want to go see my thing at a film festival.
Yeah.
I go to see other people's things.
Yeah.
Just I might happen to have one of mine playing there. But there was a film festival, I can't remember the name of it now, but it's where it's off of Kennedy, and it's in the old television station, one of the public stations, and they have a film festival every year. I can't remember the name of it now. She'll kill me. But I didn't have one movie playing there. But Bob Glazer, a good friend of mine, he's also an actor. Him and I went for 2 days, and all we did was watch a movie. There he is.
Wow.
Bob, come here.
Speak of the devil.
Get in this interview a second.
Bob Glazer.
But what was the film festival you and I went to, and we stayed there for 2 days, and we didn't even have any movies playing. Me and you just hung out and watched movies all weekend. It was off of Kennedy. It was that, public...
Oh, the Studio 104 or something?
Yeah, and I forget what it's called. They have another name, the name of their film festival. But Bob Glazer has done a bunch of stuff. He's been with Miami Vice since... Huh? Yeah, the Independent... Independent Film Festival.
Independent Film Festival.
And Bob and I didn't have anything playing. We just wanted to go watch movies. So it wasn't like Bob was there saying, I can't wait to watch myself in this. And I wasn't there going, I can't wait to see myself in this. Bob and I didn't have anything playing there. We just wanted to go watch independent films and other actors' movies and support them.
Exactly.
Yeah, and we paid a ticket. It's not like, can we just go in here for
free?
There you
go. Yeah.
No, me and Bob bought a ticket. I bought my ticket. We went in. I think you still owe me a Coke from that day. Remember, I bought you a Coke. Remember? Yeah.
Well, I don't remember.
He's just trying to...
Yeah, see, he don't remember because he's getting all the... He owes
Never
me a
admit
Coke.
it on tape, man. Never admit it on tape.
I could use a memory thing from being older.
See, but he remembers going. But no, that's the thing. We didn't go because we just want to see our thing. We didn't even have anything playing there. we just wanted to support other filmmakers. So we were there.
That's the
we
whole
watched
thing
it. Yeah,
right
we
there.
were there all day, and then we came back on Sunday, and we stayed there all day again, just watching these movies. So it's cool to be able to go out and support everybody else.
I know you guys have been watching these movies all weekend. Anything stand out to you? Any films that you really like? That you
I like.
stuck in your mind?
There's a young filmmaker that's just kind of up and coming. His name is Thomas Frick, and he had a movie last year called Burnt Bridge, I think. And then his one this time was called Colt. Oh, there he is! Come over here, man. You pull the camera out, and all of a sudden there's a bunch of actors around. This is Thomas Frick. I was just talking about him.
Thomas Frick.
Tell him about. We were talking about film festivals.
What's the name of your film?
Oh yeah, Cold Dawn was my film.
Cold Dawn?
Last year it was Burnt
Bridge. Yeah.
Burnt Bridge. I said that right. See, I said that right. Show it to him later, so he knows I'm not just bullshitting.
Yeah, no.
I got it right.
I was just asking him about if any of the films, any of the filmmakers stood out to him, and your name came right up. So
you're the first one I mentioned. Yeah, he did Burnt Bridge last year, and we became very good friends then. And then he had Cold Dawn, which was awesome. That was a lot of fun. And then Bob's was you were in Providence.
I'm in half of your film.
You're in a couple of this year. Yeah, I had something in Hess, but. The other people's, I can't remember, what was the one where the bad dirty cop met the girl over the hood? That was pretty cool.
Yeah, what was that?
Crush You and Go to Hell.
Yeah, very rapey. As Marcus Cook would say, it's very rapey.
The only thing wrong was it was to be continued.
Yeah, and then it went into a continuous. And all I could think of though is Thelma and Louise.
So
what else?
I started mixing it with the next film.
Yeah. Well, I said his film should have ended when he looked up from driving. He should have looked out the window and ah! And an 18-wheeler comes and kills them both.
There you go.
What else? What else stood out to you then as we were watching them?
Well, I don't know. I like Hess.
Well, Rick Danford had a good movie called Mirror Mirror. That was really good.
I missed that one.
Austin Janowski, what was his? He had a nice one that played.
Well, Providence.
And Providence played.
That was last night. That played.
And
Minos Records was good.
What is it called?
Minos Records. It was
Yeah,
like
see?
a one take.
Okay, there, yeah. Oh, yeah, he said this is a one take. Now, the interesting thing about a one take thing is that's just a camera setup, and the camera's just moving constantly. There's no cuts.
No cut.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it just goes straight through.
yeah, pretty much straight through. And,
Yeah.
they do some cuts, but it didn't seem like it. It seemed like it was all one
Very
take.
seamless. Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
What's the name of that one?
Another guy to look at is Mark Ford out of the Sarasota area. I forget the name of his place, but his is like One Take Wonders or something like that, and he does everything with one take, and it's a film festival, and you enter. That's the rules. Everything's got to be in a one take.
One take, single take challenge. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah,
Mark
single
Ford?
take challenge.
Yeah.
Mark
Not
Troy.
Mark
Check
Ford.
that
Mark
out.
Troy.
Mark Troy, yeah.
With Mark Troy, I've worked with him a bunch of times.
All right, we're gonna